off.
I heard him on
Hey,
the
I need.
radio.
Oh, I need this.
In this trash can?
In this trash?
Yeah,
Not
you
in it.
I watched the lid pop. I'm like, he's in the trash can.
Welcome back to Powerhouse. Today we are looking at a 10-minute intense escalation in Columbus, Ohio. It all started with a frantic 911 call reporting a domestic assault. A man was seen physically striking a woman on the street. In the United States, law enforcement takes domestic violence extremely seriously because these situations often turn deadly.
Shorts and a black top. I don't know if you can hear him.
You said she's female white?
Yes, ma'am. And then
And
he's
what's
African
the
American
shirt?
male. Looks black. And she's wearing shorts. She's got a black book bag. And then the gentleman, the guy.
Description,
is
any
wearing-
weapons seen?
I can't see here, but he is slapping her around.
Stop! Hey! 193, he just ran, he's running northbound, running westbound. Male black, white shirt. Stop! Southbound. In the alley, headed northwestbound in the alley. Back here! Back here. Get out of the trash can now! He's in this trash can. Get out! Get out!
Hey! Okay! Oh, get on your face! I'm done! Get on your face! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes, sir!
You got him?
Now the chase begins. This is where the suspect makes his first major legal mistake: resisting arrest. By fleeing, he is adding a felony charge to his record. Notice the officer's tactical breathing and how he communicates with other units to set up a perimeter. In the US legal system, this flight can be used in court as consciousness of guilt. The suspect is weaving through private properties, which could also add criminal trespassing to his list of charges. The longer this chase lasts, the higher the bail will be set. For the viewers at home, this is a clear look at the physical demands of being a patrol officer. Every fence jumped and every alley turned is a potential trap, making this one of the most dangerous parts of the job.
My cruiser needs security.
Go ahead. We're good.
Yeah, it's male. She's blonde.
Dude, I passed her and she went.
Yeah. You headed southbound, and he kind of punched her. And then as soon as I jumped out, he took off.
I did not punch my
I
girlfriend.
watched you punch her, dude.
No, you didn't. Ask her. She didn't tell you I didn't punch her. Here.
Yeah, I'm on it.
Yeah, he
I really
flipped that
didn't
trash
punch
can lid. I'm like, there he is.
I really didn't punch her, though.
You did.
I promise.
I
Ask
watched
her.
you punch her.
Oh my God, I didn't punch her. Ah, hold on, you put the needles.
Sir, I watched you punch her.
Oh, the needles.
Yeah, don't roll on your stomach.
Please. Here, your other pocket. Hey, it's a bong right here.
There's what?
A weed bong right here.
Yeah,
It's
I see
right
Run.
Huh?
Why did you run?
here. Because it's right here.
Okay. Can you come around this way so I can roll him?
Oh, no, please don't put your spikes.
You're not. That's why we put you over here.
Holy shit. I smoke crack.
You do smoke crack?
I smoke crack. That's it. I ain't no pain. Oh, that's nice.
How's this thing come out, Jack?
Hey, I'm. Oh, fuck. How you gonna do that?
Because you stood there. I had to get a weapon on you.
I didn't want you to fucking shoot me.
I'm not gonna shoot you.
The suspect has gone silent. At this point, the adrenaline is high, but the officer has to be methodical. He is searching backyards and hidden corners. This part of the footage is crucial for understanding police tactics, clearing corners and checking hiding spots. Why hide? Because the suspect knows the domestic violence charge carries heavy jail time. In many states, a conviction can lead to a loss of firearm rights and mandatory counseling. He's trying to stay out of the system, but in the age of bodycams and GPS, there is nowhere to run. The legal fees for defending a case involving a foot chase can skyrocket into the tens of thousands of dollars. We're about to see just how far this individual went to avoid the handcuffs.
I thought here.
Hold on, I got
Your legs. Pull from the front. Are you?
What's your name, dude?
Devin.
Devin?
I got a medic to come and get this other one out of here, okay? Just hang loose.
Yeah, I saw something flat back here.
Huh? What?
Yeah.
I wasn't sure what it was, and I was like, he's back
But
there.
why the fuck did y'all want me so bad?
Well, I had him. I was only about 30 feet from him.
I understand why y'all want me so
ghosted
bad.
on me. I'm like, oh, he's got to be around here.
I was watching, when I saw him, I was watching for you because I didn't want to hit you. I didn't know where you were coming, and then I got past you, and I was like, where'd he go? Devin, how do you spell your your first name?
Streets of Columbus.
What?
Streets of Columbus.
I can't hear you.
Streets of Columbus.
Streets of Columbus, okay.
Fuck me, he didn't give me a chance. You're not fair. What? He said, get out, pal. What the fuck?
Jack, is it the top button? I think so.
Oh, please don't hit the tase button. I don't give a fuck what you do, okay?
You already got it out, bud. The prong already popped
Devin,
off.
what's a good phone number for you, dude?
419 area code.
Okay.
It's not at
804.
The other one missed between his legs. He was
But I
inside
thought
of
they
it.
both don't get on there, it don't work.
That works a little bit. Yeah,
A little bit, my ass. It works a lot of it. Fuck you mean a little bit?
You all right?
Fuck no.
Well, I mean, are you relatively okay?
Relatively. I'm fucked. Get you. I'm on the ground in handcuffs and you guys saying, am I okay?
Would you mind?
Yeah.
Slaughter.
Jacob,
Got a bunch of
what's up, buddy? Get me out of here. Not to jail, though.
I think that's where you're going,
You
buddy.
want to sit up?
Why don't you go to jail?
You want to sit up?
Here it is, the moment of truth. The officer notices something unusual about a trash can. This is a classic powerhouse moment. The suspect thought he was clever, but he actually trapped himself. When the officer draws his taser, he is using a less lethal force option to ensure compliance. In a courtroom, the defense might argue excessive force, but as we see here, the officer gave clear warnings. The suspect's decision to hide in filth rather than surrender speaks volumes about his desperation. This capture is not just a win for the police, but a relief for the victim of the initial assault. The legal system will now deal with the obstruction of justice and the original violence charges.
Get me.
DJ's close, a lot closer.
Give me a chance.
We can't even run.
So you think you have a warrant, man?
It might be for misdemeanor, yeah.
Traffic or something?
No, it's misdemeanor probation, man.
Okay.
We also have some crackers,
So I know if I got
cocaine.
Oh my god, you gonna really charge me with that? I never.
I didn't say yes or no.
I know you did. I know.
I just
But
said that we have some.
where you got crack at?
In this your bag?
No, that is oh the fucking god. I'm gonna tell you what it is. Alright? Can I tell you what it is? It's supposed to be ecstasy. I don't know what the fuck it is though. I ain't touching it. I ain't fucking with that shit.
Why do you mention that?
Nah, that's my girlfriend. She's not from here. She's from London. And she thinks she can go out here.
I wasn't
and do
ready.
dumbass
I wasn't
dates.
ready.
Are you anybody listening? That girl's from London. She thinks she can go out here and do dumbass dates and shit like that. No, don't do that shit. These people will fuck you up. You can't be out here doing dates. She's
So
not
we got
from
a
here.
call about you hitting her. That's why we showed up.
No, we was arguing.
We don't
yes.
just show up and.
We was arguing, yes. And when you sat here, I grabbed your grip. I did not hear. I promise you. If you talk to her, you can ask yourself.
See, that's what's gonna happen when I ride that bull. See how fast I got? Y'all miss it.
Tell me I'm dying.
Just saying, you all.
I'm bleeding to death. Oh shit.
I'm way past my bedtime.
As they pull him out and search him, the evidence starts piling up. They find drug paraphernalia, which in Ohio can lead to additional jail time. Let's talk numbers. A domestic violence case with resisting arrest can cost a suspect over $20,000 in legal defense fees alone. Furthermore, if the victim decides to file a civil lawsuit for personal injury, the suspect could be looking at a judgment in the hundreds of thousands. From a YouTube perspective, this type of high-stakes legal content attracts high-paying advertisers in the legal and insurance industries, which is why your support helps this channel grow. What do you think? Was the trash can worth the extra charges? Let us know in the comments below.